Installing each of the Nightstick helmet-mounted lights on your fire helmet is quick and simple. This installation process I'll be demonstrating in this video is exactly the same for all four of our helmet-mounted lights, the NSP 4640 and its intrinsically safe version, the XPP 5465, as well as the NSP 4650 dual light helmet-mounted light and its IS version, the XPP 5466. For purposes of this video, I'll be installing the NSP 4640, but as I said, the process is exactly the same for all four lights. The design of the mount allows each of these lights to be attached on the left or right side of either an upswept or downswept brim. The mount can rotate 360 degrees and has a wide range of movement up and down both during and after installation. Once you've determined the best location along the brim, loosen the thumb screw and slide the mount over the banding on the brim, making sure that the mount is fully seated on the brim. Begin the process by tightening down the thumb screw by hand. Once you've done as much as you can by hand, use the included Allen wrench to get the mount completely tight. Take your time and make sure to get everything as tight as you can make it. You don't have to worry about getting things too tight, since the rubber boot on the thumb screw prevents any damage to the brim. As I mentioned a minute ago, the mount is designed so that the user can adjust the position of these lights right or left and even up or down in order to place them exactly where they're needed without any risk of the hardware loosening up. You can even tuck the light up on top of the brim to get it out of the way if you don't need it. That's it. You're ready to go. Just be sure to periodically check the thumb screw for tightness. If you have any questions or if we can be of any assistance, please contact our customer service department by calling 800-233-2155. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.